Hey, if you're new here and don't subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon for more updates.
Assalamualaikum, welcome to my new video. In this video I gonna teach you how to make logos with your phone. For making logos, we're gonna first open Picsart. After opening Picsart, I'm gonna click to the plus icon. After this, I'm gonna choose a canvas. I will use this canvas for my background. From here, click to the arrow option and go to edit image. After that, click to add photo. From here, I'm gonna use this horse photo. After that, click to OK option and from here go to draw option. Click here. Choose a circle and size will be 8. Then click to OK option and draw here. After that, click to erase option. Then click again here and choose a star. Then click to OK and draw a star here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Then click to OK option. From here, go to text option and write your channel name here. Then click to blend and blend it.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Your logo is ready. Then click to OK option. Click to the right arrow and save it to gallery. Hey, if you new here and don't subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe it and press the bell icon for more updates. See you on the next video. Till then, take care.